guys, she's finally off the lift. Oh my gosh, check it out. Got the carbon on, got the pink on, and we are out in lovely Ohio. If you're new to the channel here, thanks for coming along. We're on episode 9 of the Grom build for the SF model. And man, I am so happy with how this thing came out. I cannot wait for the weather to break. There's so much salt on the roads, so we can't actually get to riding yet. But as for now, we are off the lift. And everything looks so good. Since the kit's nearly completed, I went ahead and sent everything out for powder. I did a gloss black on most of the kit and then did a textured black on the chain guard. Really happy with how it came out. It's a nice touch. Wanted to give a quick shout out to Chase at Wesley Fabrication. He did these motor mount bushings for me just to make sure that the mounts themselves wouldn't press in or almost cinch together. So this holds the space in the middle so that the mounts don't crimp down. And here's a look at the bike with the bracketry on. And it looks so much better with just having the black in there. You can't really tell so much that it's there. I mean, obviously it's a big bracket, but because it's black, it really blends in nicely with the frame. Have you guys ever put on a part only to realize you got to take that part back off, put on the thing you actually need to put on? Yeah, doing that here happens way too much. And don't forget the close-up. Looks really good with the gold underneath, so it's a nice contrast. You add the gold, the black, it's just a nice mesh. And then cleaning up wiring. So before I have the motor wires, the phase wires coming out up to the controller, and they're just kind of looped in the middle. So we went ahead and cut those down and crimped new ends on them. And this was quite the process. I almost made the wires too short and it would have been all bad, but thankfully just right. In making these wires much shorter, it's also going to allow for the plastics to fit much better without shoving wiring back in there. Getting ahead of myself, I went ahead and put some carbon bits on the front that I knew I wouldn't have to take off the headlight again, so I figured why not just do it now? I have to. Anything that I could make black on this bike, I did. I wanted the main attention to detail being on the paint color itself, so bracketry black, handlebars black, pegs black, everything. Even the spacers in here, you can see I put aluminum spacers, got those painted black, and everything is just, it blends together so it hides most of the stuff. So once the salt clears on the road, we'll get this thing out, put 300 to 500 miles on it to test everything, and all things considered, we should have these kits ready to go by spring. Both the SF and OG and the Gen 3 should be available as well. We'll be offering different battery options that allow for anywhere from about 60 mileage in range up to about 100, and super excited to see where that goes. So we'll let you know. I'll keep you posted, all the videos coming out. Thanks for tuning along, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!